What is the process of diffusion? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important processes in biology and chemistry, diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. It's a passive process, which means that it doesn't require any energy input. Diffusion happens naturally and is driven by the random motion of molecules. How does diffusion work? Diffusion works by the random movement of molecules. In a system where there are high concentrations of a particular molecule, the probability of that molecule colliding with another molecule is high. As a result, the molecules begin to spread out evenly throughout the system. This process continues until the concentration of the molecule is the same throughout the system. Diffusion in biology. In biology, diffusion is a crucial process that allows cells to exchange molecules with their environment. For example, when you breathe in oxygen, the oxygen molecules diffuse from the air in your lungs to the blood vessels in your lungs. Once in the blood vessels, the oxygen molecules diffuse into the red blood cells, where they are transported to the rest of the body. Diffusion in chemistry. In chemistry, diffusion is used to mix different substances. For example, if you add sugar to a cup of tea, the sugar molecules will diffuse from the area of high concentration, the spoonful of sugar, to the area of low concentration, the rest of the tea. As the sugar molecules diffuse, they mix with the tea and create a uniform solution. Factors affecting diffusion. There are several factors that affect the rate of diffusion, including temperature, concentration gradient, and the size of the molecules. Higher temperatures increase the rate of diffusion by increasing the kinetic energy of the molecules. A steeper concentration gradient also increases the rate of diffusion, as there is a greater difference in concentration for the molecules to move across. Smaller molecules diffuse more quickly than larger molecules, as they have less mass and can move more quickly. Diffusion experiments. There are several experiments that you can do to observe the process of diffusion. One common experiment involves placing a drop of food coloring in a glass of water. Over time, the food coloring molecules will diffuse throughout the water, creating a uniform color. Another experiment involves placing a piece of paper soaked in ink in a glass of water. As the water molecules diffuse into the paper, the ink molecules will begin to diffuse out of the paper, creating a pattern in the water. In conclusion, diffusion is a fundamental process that is important in both biology and chemistry. It allows molecules to move from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration, which is critical for the proper functioning of cells and the mixing of substances in chemistry. Understanding the process of diffusion is essential for understanding many of the natural phenomena that we observe in the world around us. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the Curiosity Lab.